I
Uh-huh.
broke a sweat right away, like a hot flash. So I knew you were connecting. That's my sign that you were online and connecting and right there with me.
Okay.
And you started on my left side.
Yeah.
And I started to feel, first thing I felt when I felt something, with a little bit of a tug. And then that migrated into, all of a sudden I started getting a sharp pain in my right. And the minute you said it, I was hearing it, that's connecting right side of the brain to the left side of the organ.
Exactly.
That cross field. And
Exactly.
as we kept progressing, I started feeling like, if you could imagine a string that went from my temple down my throat, through my heart chakra, and to my adrenal gland, bottom of my liver, back area, down in that right side below my ribs. And every once in a while I get a sharp pain in my temple. It was like tugging back and forth on this string.
Okay.
And okay, that's really interesting. It's just trying to work it out. And that started lightening up. And then I started feeling like in that lower area where my left adrenal would be, kind of like kneading, like I could feel like this, like a massage of that area. And that was really feeling good. It was like, yes, let that
Good.
go, let it relax.
Good.
And then that massaging turned into feeling little pops, as if the massaging was popping bubble wrap. And it would just squeeze it and I'd get a little pop, pop, pop. And the temporal stuff lightened up immensely. I didn't feel that again. And it just felt calm after that. It felt really, really good. As we ended the session, I felt really, really good, but I started feeling a pretty bad headache just at the top, and everything was telling me my crown chakra was feeling really heavy. Yeah. And so you ended graciously for me using your crown chakra singing bowl, and that was a beautiful, beautiful frequency and sound that eliminated that headache. 3 minutes, the power of three, that
Exactly.
3 minutes, and I feel really good. I feel very calm, very open, and excited to get on with my day and see how things play out from here. So I feel good. Thank you so much. And I'm excited for my next session.